tiny ducklings went out to play, waddling and splashing all through the day. Mama duck quacked, "Come back my way," but only 4 little ducklings came. 4 fluffy ducklings swam in the stream, chasing the bubbles and dancing with glee. Mama duck called with a quack, quack, quee, but only 3 little ducklings came. 3 happy ducklings played in the rain, jumping in puddles again and again. Mama duck called from the grassy lane, but only 2 little ducklings came. 2 yellow ducklings floated so slow, watching the fireflies all aglow. Mama duck whispered soft and low, but only 1 little duckling came. 1 tiny duckling wandered around, looking for pebbles upon the ground. Mama duck made a funny sound, and soon that little duckling came. 5 silly ducklings slid down the hill, rolling and tumbling with big ol' shrill. Mama duck called from the old windmill, and all 5 ducklings came back home. 5 sleepy ducklings yawned at night, under the stars so shiny and bright. Mama duck tucked them in so tight, and all 5 ducklings dreamed away. 5 joyful ducklings splashed in the lake, wiggling their tails with every shake. Mama duck baked a yummy cake, and all 5 ducklings hurried home. 5 little ducklings marched in line through the flowers and the vines. Mama duck called dinner time, and all 5 ducklings waddled back. 5 tearful ducklings danced in mud, stamping their feet with a thump, thump, thud. Mama duck laughed in the pearly flood as all 5 ducklings spun around. 5 curious ducklings explored the park, playing from morning until dark. Mama duck called with a cheerful bark, and all 5 ducklings came along. 5 bright ducklings sailed paper boats, floating them softly where lily pad floats. Mama duck sang sweet musical notes, and all 5 ducklings sang along. 5 bouncing ducklings hopped with cheer, waving their wings from far and near. Mama duck said, "Bath time is here," and all 5 ducklings rushed inside. 5 tiny ducklings flew kites so high, watching the clouds drift through the sky. Mama duck baked blueberry